A very beautiful day to you out there. If this is your first time of seeing a content like this, my name is Samuel Joshua, and of course this is Zion Hub Logistics Limited. So if this is your first time of coming across our channel, here we're like family. We discuss everything that have to do with business, most especially e-commerce, exportation, importation, and the like. So to join our community, what you want to do is to just smash that subscription bell, like the video, comment, and also share to whoever you think this video will be helpful to. Okay, so now recently, which is last month and this month, 168 begin to do a different sort of upgrade on their app, which I believe we are all aware, starting from upgrading their app, configuring it to both English version and the Chinese version. I've recorded a video on that. Should in case if you don't know how to watch it, just go and watch the previous video on my tutorial, and I can also link it under the description button of this tutorial so you can go and watch and learn. Okay, so that's the first upgrade. Then we also look at card payment. That's part of the upgrade they also did, right? So now last month and this month, we get to discover that okay, 1688 link is not working. Maybe you want to do a procurement for someone, you want to do sourcing for your clients, they now send you the link to share. We now get to see that okay, these things are not working. So what are the causes? What are the things going on? I have to reach out to one of their customer service. They said they are presently doing an upgrade on both 1688 Taobao and the likes, because I think Jack Ma owns everything. So now part of the upgrade, although one of my students told me that she has been using this fixture before this time, but I just discovered it after the update. Now what is the update? You can now use your what? You can use your chat box to chat supplier directly, even without translating, which is very, very awesome. Before now, I've been just anything I see that is just Chinese, I'll just screenshot and go to my Google Translator to translate it. As a matter of fact, if you check my phone gallery now, everything Chinese, full inside of that thing. I don't know. So now this makes me now to say, okay, what do? I start making research from one place to another. I now get to see that, okay, this is part of the feature. And what is the feature? They now give you access to see whatever it is that your Chinese is saying. So I think the rate of outsider buying from this app is too much. When we look at the percentage, I can say 80% are foreigners, because it's very easy for us, even locally in our country, it's very easy for us to just go to a store and go and buy anything, but we use it as arbitrage, we that in diaspora and in, outside the nation. So now let's look at the first feature that I get to discover, which is the reason why I'm recording this video today. Now, before now, this is let me see, let me come from here, let me just scroll up. Okay, so now before this time, you can see that all these things are being translated. Now this is it here. If I'm to long press, this is the Chinese that this guy told me here. And how do you translate it to English? Before now, I can just screenshot and go to my Google Translator. But now, everything is very, very much easier. You will just long press on whatever it is that the Chinese supplier told you, and you will see this option, translate. It's very easy. You will just translate it and everything will be okay. Now, let me go and look for an old supplier that I have not translated his chat before. Let me see if I can see an old chat from a old supplier. Let me see. Okay, this I think okay, now let's check this. Now this is translated. If you want to see what this supplier say on before this time, you can just screenshot, go to Google Translator to do or translate it. It's very easy now. Just long press on what they send to you and you will see this option to translate. Now before this time, you can see that everything is in Chinese. Let me long press now and click on this translate button. You will see that automatically, let me scroll down. Can you see automatically it has already translated? It says there, how can I assist you? Unless if it is robot, you know there are some default messages. Now let's say WhatsApp. You know there are some default messages that when someone message you, it will just drop directly, like those WhatsApp messages, we are not available right now, blah 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 blah. So unless it is robot that send that message, that's when you are not going to get it translated. But let's say it is the supplier directly, it will automatically translate it. If I'm to long press here, let me see. Can you see now? This is just robot. That's why you are seeing report and delete. But if it is the supplier that sent it directly, let me look for another chart. If it is the supplier that sent it directly, let me long press on this, then click on translate. Can you see now? It said there, your warehouse rejected it. Let me long press this again and translate. So this is the new feature that I discovered and I wish to share with you today. But however, how do you now type in Chinese to them without leaving the app? That's why I said without third-party app. Everything is now designed. Now, there is something you need to do. There's something you need to do. Just go and download this Go keyboard on your Play Store. Just come to your Play Store here or your App Store. You will just type Go keyboard. In some cases, it always follows some phones. You can see it on your keyboard, but you just need to do some settings. Let me show you. This is Go keyboard here. Let me type it. Go keyboard, right? It comes with Google Translator automatically. So you can type it in English. This is it. You can type it in English, then it translates to Chinese. So there is no need for you to just leave the app. Now let me show you this. Let me show you. Let's say I want to message the supplier now. If I'm to say hello, you can say I type it in English and I send it. This is just English. But let's say I want to type it in English and I want the Go keyboard to translate it for me in Chinese. This is the keyboard here and you can see this logo of translate. Just click on it. So by default, you will leave this first one here as detected language, which is English, and you can also change it to English. But some of us that don't that our language is not English, maybe French speaking country, you can just select French, then you click on this side as Chinese. Now let me say hello, how are you? Hello, let me say hello. I'm typing this now in English, as you can see. Hello, how are you doing? Right? I'm just going to click on translate, and once I click on translate, can you see now it has typed itself under that translate? And if I'm to send it now, so this is a complete complete upgrade. It's not as if you are leaving their app before you make any purchase. So that's the beautiful part of the upgrade. So I think more features will be coming out as soon as possible, but this is another thing that I discovered. So if you are to follow my tutorials, you will know that I've been dropping a video that is very, very epic. So that's the more reason you need to follow my YouTube channel, subscribe, like, and also share to your students, so you can do what? So you can gain more helpful content that have to do with your business. And we are available for trainings. Okay, if you want us to train you, you don't have a verified Alipay account, we now help people to connect their 168 to our own Alipay account, so they will be able to buy conveniently even without them having a verified Alipay account. Then if you want to buy already verified Alipay account, or you want to buy already verified Zhengyun account, Idlefish account, these are services that we do. We sell them. We're also a procurement agent. So if you have anything that is just disturbing you regarding importation business, just reach out to us. These are what we do on a daily basis. We record at least twice in a week. We release video on YouTube. I hope you find this video very helpful. Okay, so if you find this video helpful and you are willing to see more helpful videos like this, just like it, comment, and also share to whoever you think this video will be helpful to. Okay, so we are done with today's tutorial now. So in my next tutorial, we are still going to be looking at another helpful content that have to do with gadget related, importation related, e-commerce related. So I hope you find value in watching today's tutorial. Kindly follow me, like me, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will definitely see you in my next video. Bye and peace out.